Well, I'm back working on the V-dub a little bit. Today's video is just going to be basically a slideshow of the welding I needed to do to these pieces to get them ready to go on the heads. And here's the finished pieces. No more extra holes. No more notches. I just did a little bit of rough grinding on the inside edge there, because I'll have to V-notch this to weld it onto the heads. And then once I get done, once I've got them on the heads, I intend to put the head in the mill and use an end mill on all this, because we definitely had to have a flat spot for the support for the rocker arm. It's a little bit of work done today, but as always, one step closer. Thanks for watching.